Nursery cartoon love journey with Hooram.
In the meadow, where colors dance bright, a boy with 5 ducks takes joyous flight. With laughter that ripples like water, soft song, they gather for Holi, where all hearts belong. The sun spills its gold as they splash in delight. Bright powders of crimson paint shadows alight. The boy dips his fingers in hues rich and bold, while ducks waddle close, their feathers like gold. Come join in the fun, he calls with a cheer, as splashes of violet bring everyone near. With each joyful flick, they're covered anew. 5 ducks in a whirlwind of yellow and blue. Their quacks form a chorus that fills up the air, as petals from blossoms drift down without care. Each color a story, each laugh tells a tale of friendship and freedom that never grow pale. Together they frolic through clouds made of dust, in this festival bright where laughter is trust. With every leap forward into shades unforeseen, a canvas unfolds where pure love reigns supreme. The world fades away, there's no place to hide. In the heart of this moment their spirits collide, with arms stretched wide open beneath sky so clear. 5 ducks and a boy spread joy far and near. When twilight descends like soft whispers of grace, they sit side by side, a serene warm embrace. With colors still dancing upon cheek and bill, they treasure these moments, the heart's gentle thrill. So let us remember this tale filled with glee, of 5 little ducks who found joy wild and free. For life is but holy, each day can be bright, when we share it with laughter, a wondrous delight.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hooram.